Okay, everybody, here we are at Buy Your Ride in Simi Valley, taking a look at a 2018 Honda HR-V. This is a great little hatchback. It's in a beautiful charcoal gray exterior. It's got alloy wheels, disc brakes all the way around. It's got a really nice finish on it. Deep tread on the tires. It's a hatchback. It seats 5. The seats fold down in the back. It's got a nice spacious cargo area. It's got a backup camera, moonroof, and other power features inside, power windows, power door locks. 26,465 miles on the odometer. Take a look at that backup camera. Everything's nice and clean in here. This was a one-owner car that the person bought out the lease on, so it's really only just one owner. And you can give us a call on this vehicle, 805-507-2244. That's 805-507-2244.